How to add product to wish list on Temu. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To add the products to the wish list of Temu, first and foremost you need to install your Temu application in your mobile device. If you don't have the application, no need to worry, check out your Temu website. Firstly, make sure that you are logged in into your Temu account. If not, go ahead and sign in. To add the product to your wish list, first and foremost, locate the product that you want to add to your wish list. For an example, let me go ahead and select on this product. Right over here, you need to scroll down at the very bottom. Here, next to product details, you will see a heart icon or the save icon. You need to click on it. After you have tapped on it, you will see a notification that it has been added to wish list. Now to check out your wish list, you can head back from here, then tap on the U icon. Over here you will see the wish list option. Then right there you will find the product that you have added to your wish list. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.